Carbosan, established in 1967, is the pioneer of abrasive industry in Turkey. It has two manufacturing. Vilikoy plant is one of the most modern and up-to-date production facilities in the world. The company serves several different sectors, such as construction, maritime, automotive, metal industry, and woodwork. With a vast range of products such as cut-off discs, grinding discs, trimming discs, fiber discs, flap discs, roller sandpaper discs, and other types of abrasives. Many of these products can be customized. Carbosan products are produced by means of high-tech production processes under the supervision of contemporary administration philosophies and sophisticated information technology systems. Products are tested under the harshest conditions possible within the context of world standards in order to sustain product safety and security before they are launched to the market. Carbosan Zimparatasi Sana'i Ashe is the pioneer company which received the right to use the OSA label and is the sole company which holds safety standard EN 12413 for all of its grindstones it produces in Turkey under the scheme of Quality Management System ISO 9000. Carbosan is also a member of FEPA, the Federation of European Products of Abrasives. We are very aware of the fact that in order to sustain our production process focused on quality, the key factor is the workers themselves to maintain any kind of opportunity and resources for labor force, as well as to provide job health and security. We pay close attention to create peaceful, contributive, and progressive workplace environments in the long term. Carbosan is an environmental and human-friendly company. Since its establishment, both white and blue-collar workers dedicated their full energy to satisfy the needs of the whole of sectors related with abrasive products. Supporting research and development stages is the keystone of our quality policy. Carbosan is accessible throughout Turkey over a wide range of service networks. Mobile testing and training vehicles of Carbosan gives out training sessions on product choices and safe usage. One of our main goals is to sustain customer satisfaction and try to achieve the highest level of efficiency by means of pre-sale and after-sale support to brief our customers in technical aspects. It is a Carbosan tradition that some of the crucial raw materials used in production line are in-line produced, as well as to develop new products and technologies in order to satisfy the needs of different segments of industry. Carbosan is the leading company with its production quality, wide range of products, and strong sales network. Carbosan products are used by millions of end users on 5 continents and more than 70 countries. Carbosan is a worldwide brand. In conclusion, it is not a surprising fact that Carbosan is the most rapidly growing company in the abrasive product sector.